This is your blueprint to achieving smoother, younger-looking skin with the natural power of grapeseed oil. I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about this ancient yet modern beauty solution, backed by history and proven by science, even if you're just starting your natural skincare journey. First, let's dive shortly into the history of grapeseed oil to better understand it. Did you know that ancient cultures had discovered its powerful skin benefits long before modern science caught up? In fact, the use of grapes and grapeseed oil dates back over 6,000 years in ancient Egypt. Egyptians used it in their beauty rituals, understanding its ability to hydrate and nourish the skin. Fast forward to the 14th century, and we have an incredible story tied to King Ferdinand IV of Spain. It's said that an Arab doctor discovered grapeseed oil's extraordinary benefits for the skin. So impressed by its power, the king kept it a royal secret, calling it royal oil. Imagine this hidden beauty secret circulating only in royal circles for years. Today, we don't need royal approval to unlock the magic of grapeseed oil. Modern science confirms what ancient cultures knew all along. This oil is packed with antioxidants that protect the skin, reduce wrinkles, and even help wounds heal faster. In this video, my dear beautiful ladies, I'll walk you through the benefits of grapeseed oil, backed by both historical wisdom and scientific research. Stay tuned to learn its benefits for your skin, how to use grapeseed oil for radiant skin, and how to choose the best oils for your routine. Let's get started. 1. Anti-aging benefits. In order to combat aging, you need antioxidants, and grapeseed oil is loaded with them. According to this study, the antioxidants in grapeseed oil protect your skin cells from damage caused by free radicals. Here's how it works. Vitamin E. This key nutrient reduces the activity of tyrosinase, an enzyme that produces melanin, helping to fade dark spots and even out skin tone. Intracellular glutathione boost. Grapeseed oil increases levels of this antioxidant, shielding skin cells from damage and slowing down visible signs of aging. In short, grapeseed oil is your go-to for smoother, younger-looking skin. 2. Wound healing. Did you know that grapeseed oil can help wounds heal faster? A study by Shivananda Nayak showed that rats treated with grapeseed oil had higher levels of hydroxyproline, a compound crucial for building strong, healthy tissue. But that's not all. The oil's proanthocyanidin extract contains resveratrol, a compound that promotes wound healing by increasing the production of VEGF, vascular endothelial growth factor, which helps create new blood vessels. While human studies are limited, the evidence from animal research suggests that grapeseed oil could be a game changer for wound healing. 3. Anti-microbial effects. Grapeseed oil doesn't just help with healing, it also protects your skin from harmful bacteria. Resveratrol, a key compound in the oil, has been shown to fight off bacteria like Staphylococcus aureus and Pseudomonas aeruginosa. This makes it a natural shield against infections. Additionally, resveratrol boosts the production of cathelicidin, an antimicrobial peptide that acts as your skin's natural defense system. 4. Fades. Hyperpigmentation. Hyperpigmentation, those stubborn dark spots, can leave your skin tone looking uneven and dull. But here's the good news. Grapeseed oil works wonders for this. It actively blocks tyrosinase, the enzyme that triggers melanin production. As highlighted in this breakthrough study, the vitamin E in grapeseed oil doesn't just stop melanin in its tracks. It also brightens your skin and gradually reduces discoloration. Over time, you'll notice a more radiant, even complexion. 5. Anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation, it's the hidden enemy behind redness, acne, and irritation. But don't worry, grapeseed oil comes to the rescue. Packed with powerful polyunsaturated fatty acids, PUFAs, including omega-3 and omega-6, this incredible oil actively reduces inflammation and enhances your skin's overall health. And here's where it gets even better. According to this remarkable study, these fatty acids go above and beyond. They shield your skin's collagen-producing fibroblasts from harm, minimizing redness caused by UV exposure. Plus, they supercharge your skin's natural ability to heal and repair itself. Say goodbye to irritation and hello to calm, rejuvenated skin. How to use grapeseed oil. Think of grapeseed oil as your skincare sidekick. Here's how to incorporate it. 1. Warm a few drops in your hands and gently massage it onto your face for a nourishing glow. 2. Use it as the last step in your skincare routine to lock in moisture and maximize its benefits. Choosing the best grapeseed oil. Not all grapeseed oils are created equal. Look for organic, cold-pressed options to ensure you're getting the purest and most potent version. How to preserve grapeseed oil. To keep your grapeseed oil fresh, store it in a cool, dark place. Seal the bottle tightly to keep out air and moisture. For extended freshness, refrigerate it to extend its shelf life to 12 months. When does grapeseed oil go bad? Unopened grapeseed oil lasts 1 to 2 years. Once opened, its shelf life drops to 3 to 6 months. With proper storage, you can enjoy its benefits for longer. Grapeseed oil is a skincare powerhouse, offering benefits from anti-aging to healing, protection, and more. Everyone's skin is unique, but with grapeseed oil, you have a natural solution that works for all skin types. My dear beautiful ladies, if you're ready to elevate your skincare game, don't forget to grab our free PDF guide linked below. It reveals the top 7 ingredients to avoid in beauty products, helping you make informed, science-backed choices for healthier, radiant skin. Your skin deserves the best. Start your transformation today.